Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? I have two awesome products to share with you today. One you might have already seen before, but it sold out so dang fast, we are bringing it to the Stamps of Life. It is the Elegant Edge die that I took on HSN a long time ago. And we got so many requests for us to have it because HSN bought X amount. They sold out really, really fast. I think they even pulled me off the air sooner than they were going to because they sold out so fast. So now is your chance to get that. And I'm going to show you how awesome it is to use. The other one is a brand new item called the 3D pop-up number 2 drop-in. Woo! That is a lot, right? Well, the fun thing about this one is it has 2 different options of drop-in panels, and I'm going to show you how to use that as well. Let me show you my samples first, and then we're going to get started. First, I want to show you, this is the board I took on HSN, and it shows you how fun this Elegant Edge die options are. Look at all the options. For example, you can make a just a regular panel. You can have it say hello with swirls. You can have it say have swirls with the heart. We can have it do the little leaves with the bow, the leaves with the flower. You have all of these options. We can even do the flower with the swirls. We can mix and match even those. So I'm going to show you that. Also, we'll just put that there just because it's fun to keep. I have, okay, let's just start throwing in our samples here. So here's a cute one with our little squirrel. Isn't that adorable? Now here's one that has the hello and the fun leaves and the cute little heart popped up. Look at how gorgeous this edge is and how fun it is on the bottom card base right there. Now this makes an A2 size card. It fits in a standard envelope, so you don't need to worry about if it's going to fit in a regular envelope, but it just adds an elegant touch to your cards. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, here's another one, and here's another one. Now, I'm going to go a little fast on these because I want to show you how easy this is. Here, oops, so it's got an extra piece in it. Look how fun that is. Here's a Merry Christmas. Here's one with a fun heart. And then here are some samples that I took on the air also, just so elegant and gorgeous. Elegant is the perfect word for this die because it really is elegant. Look at this. Here's some more to show off. So fun. Let's see. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. And here's the one that's on the packaging. Thank you. Here's another one. And it does come with the words thank you, which is really fun. Now, the other one, the 3D pop-up, is great because there's 2 different options and it comes with flowers. So for example, it comes with those fun flowers, but look, it comes with this nice big base to pop up. So you literally can pop up anything. It comes with that base and it also comes with, and I'm going to try to, oh, here, a base that does 5 different pop-ups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can kind of see how those are layered in there. So now you can have different dimension to your pop-ups, which is really fun. You can have 1 dimension or 5 dimensions. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's look at some more. So here's another one just with that cute little one. Single, cute, just so fun. Here's another one that says hello. Open it up. Yay! Look at those cute little monsters. Those monsters are so popular. Here's one. Look at those fun flowers that come with it, sending smiles. Look at that. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And there's just so much dimension involved in that card. You're really going to enjoy that. Here's another one. Happy birthday. Open it up. Cute little whale swimming by. Here's another one with that llama and all of that fun dimension. It even looks better in person, I promise, but it just looks awesome. Now, let's see how we're going to use these, and I just want you to see how fun these are and how easy they are to use. So, for example, let's grab a yellow piece of paper, and we're going to grab our die here, our Elegant Edge. Now, there's so many dies in this kit, you get an extra piece, which is even more fantastic. And now remember, the most important part of this die is an A2 base. Boom, done. A2 base with an Elegant Edge. We're going to lay that a little bit at an angle, and we're going to grab a larger cutting pad, and we're going to run that through the machine. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. And now I'm going to have the perfect A2 size card base. Card bases are the hardest. So now you don't have to worry about it. It gives it a nice deep score line. You're going to fold it. Look at that. Oh, can you hear the heavens singing? It's awesome. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a layering piece. And let's get some, let's get some pattern paper. And let's grab, oh, so many options. Ooh, let's grab this one. So let's grab this one, and I'm flying by the seat of my pants right now, just so you know, because I'm just playing. I'm going to lay that down, but I have these drop-in die options. I have so many options. So I could drop in this panel with the cute little leaves. I could drop in this panel with the swirls. I'm going to do the leaves because it's kind of like the flower. So I'm going to drop that panel in just like that. See how it pops in? And then I'm going to drop in, of course, the flower. I think that makes the most important sense. And literally, it's just going to drop in just like that. Look at that. Now, if I didn't want the flower in there, I could drop the bow in there, or I could drop the heart in there, or I could drop the word hello in there. I get to make the decisions. You're not buying one die and you're stuck with my idea of that one die. No, no, no. You have all these options you're going to add. You're going to mix and match, add different things to it, make it yours. Now, there's a lot of blade in there, so I'm going to run it back through. See how easy this is? We're talking easy, easy. I like to be easy, but I like it to wow at the same time. And I'm stuck to my thing because I've got so much blade in there. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Pops right out. Ready? Oh, gosh. And this is where you have to decide. Ooh, do I want green or do I want the flower? Oh, gosh. I think I'm going to go green. I was not planning on that. That's funny. It's funny when you change your mind, isn't it? When you think one thing and then you're like, oh, no, I'm going to do something different. So I'm going to add that green there, just like that, and look at how that layers. Now, really quick to add this, to finish this one. Oh my word, look at this. Look at what I'm going to do, people. This is exciting. I'm going to add adhesive to the back of this little flower. Oh my word, I'm going to drop this in. I got to line it up somehow. Let's line it up. Now this has we got to find the line up spot here. I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. Well, I think that might be it. If not, it is for now. Look at that. We could even add that cute little flower, but it doesn't look as good as I thought. Okay, we're going to leave it like that. A solid color would look better. There's too much busyness going around. But wait, one more thing. There's also this. Now, this is all inclusive. Everything you need is in this kit. This die here is the perfect layering die, and I want to grab another piece of paper to show you this because it's more important that you see I tried to think of everything. I really, really did. Let's get, is there a lighter green? I don't think so. So let's use the start green. So we're going to grab this. We're going to grab this really fast. We're going to lay this down. Again, no speed bumps. We're going to go a little bit at an angle. And we're going to, run this through. Now, also, store these in your storage envelopes, the Stamps of Life storage envelopes, and pieces when you have extra pieces, because like that flower I just had, and the little, where'd it go? I already lost it. And the leaves, put that back in the envelope that this die came in, because next time you get this die out and you want to do it, you might already have pieces already cut out for it. So we're going to add some adhesive to this. I'm almost out of this one. And watch this, you guys. Check this out. Now we're going to add this. Now this layers perfectly as well. Now look, when you close that card, you can see the green on the inside. Isn't that awesome? I know, so much fun. I could play all day with this one, but we're gonna have to move on because I wanna show you the other one as well. So I'm gonna take these all and put these all in one envelope, and then any extra pieces that I cut out, and I've already lost them, but any extra pieces that I've cut out are gonna, oh, there they are. They're still in the die. Look at that, perfect. I'm gonna poke those out, keep everything together. That way, I'm halfway done next time. Now, that is our Elegant Edge die. We're also going to look at the pop-up die. We're going to open this up. This is going to also fit with any of our normal A2 envelope, A2 card bases. Not necessarily the Elegant Edge one, because this one's a little bit square. You'll notice there's no guts in here. And you're like, uh-oh, something's happened. No, it's supposed to be that way. We're going to lay this down just like that, a little bit at an angle. And we have two options for pop-ups. One, we can use the one that has all 5 of these pieces. Now we also have one that has just 3, if you want the 3 also sold separately. So you can drop that 5 in there if you want, or you can drop in the rectangle. Again, you're lining up those notches. So I lined up the notches there, and on this one, I lined up the notches there. Just line those babies up, and you're gonna run that through. So let's run through the rectangle. There's also layering dies for the rectangle, so you can have layering dies as well. And we're gonna run this through. Now this is gonna fit in a standard A2 size card base. And we're just gonna run this through. This one we only have to run through once because it's a pretty easy basic die. You guys are going to have so much fun with these. Pop-ups are so fun. Now, on the score lines that I created, I'm going to fold and I'm going to fold. So it's pretty much a no-brainer because it's just going to tell you exactly where to fold. You're going to fold it in half. Ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Ta-da! It's going to pop up and now I get to decorate it. Now this is going to go in a standard card. So this is a standard card. And then when you're finished, look how awesome that is. Club members, of course you're getting the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, you need to join. What are you waiting for? It's only $11.95 a month. That includes a stamp set each month, and you get a 15% discount on everything else on our website. I'm sure there's one item it's not available on, but the discount is awesome. So go check these out. They're awesome. Especially get that Elegant Edge die if you missed out on it when it was on HSN, because it's fantastic. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.